Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. We are on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Go to our Twitter page for all the up-to-date information. I just want to bring this information to you guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and support the channel by liking and commenting on the video and subscribing to the channel. Amazon survived an asset bubble. Bitcoin will too, crypto VC. I just want to give these encouraging words to you guys. I want to encourage you guys to think long term when you're investing in Bitcoin. For the co-founder and partner of cryptocurrency firm Crypto Oracle, Lou Kerner, patience is key when it comes to investing in Bitcoin. Speaking to CNBC, Kerner said Bitcoin investors should take comfort in an example of the tech giant Amazon, which lost significant value when the dot-com bubble burst, but now has emerged as the world's largest online retailer by market capitalization. If you go back to the internet bubble, which is what a lot of us in crypto look at for direction, Amazon, arguably one of the greatest companies in the history of mankind, was down over 95% over 2 years, Kerner said in an interview with the Business News Channel. You see here the dot-com bubble happened around here. Now we have Amazon 16 years later where it is today. The dot-com bubble happened around 2000, and now we're in 2018, and you look at where Amazon is, and it's $5 to $2,000. According to Kerner, investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies requires one to have the stomach for handling volatility. The current market weakness of crypto, per Kerner, can be attributed to the fact that digital assets lack underlying value other than confidence. Kerner's view this bearish sentiment will, however, pass, as the case for Bitcoin as a store of value takes hold. I think it's a store of value. I think it's the greatest store of value ever created. It's just to pass gold over time. It won't happen overnight. With the market capitalization of Bitcoin under $80 billion at current prices, the flagship cryptocurrency would have to appreciate more than 100-fold to reach gold status. In his own words, much of the faith Kerner has in Bitcoin can be attributed to a law coined by Roy Amara, a professor at Stanford University, which states that in the short term, the impact of transformative technology is overestimated, while in the long term, the impact is underestimated. Kerner is not alone in holding a bullish view of Bitcoin despite the prevailing bearish conditions. As CCN recently reported, co-founder of Fundstrat Global Advisors Tom Lee still maintains that Bitcoin will hit the 15,000 price target by the end of the year. Tom Lee will not abandon his $15,000 year-end Bitcoin price forecast. Terming the recent market downturn an awkward transition, Lee is optimistic that institutional investors will embrace crypto in larger numbers once there's regulatory clarity. As a diehard Bitcoin bull who has not wavered in the current bearish climate is co-founder and CEO of Blockstream, Adam Back. Earlier this year, Back projected in a tweet that in the coming years, Bitcoin could be trading in the $250,000 to $500,000 range. I would consider $250K to $500K BTC plausible in the years ahead from the digital gold sensor-resistant competitor to physical gold and internet-native digital money. So these people are bulls no matter what, and I think you have to take, and I'm going to encourage you guys, look at this Amazon. It was an 18-year period from 2000 to 2018. I think you have to take a long-term view with Bitcoin. You got to think more in a 10-year jump. It's a transformational technology. I want to read that to you again. In the short term, the impact of transformational technology is overestimated, while in the long term, the impact is underestimated. You got to think long term. Right now, the impact has probably been overestimated. Bitcoin is really high. But in the long term, Bitcoin will be worth a lot more. It is digital gold. It is the greatest store of value known to mankind. And I think once you recognize that and where we're going with this for the next 10 years, you see that Bitcoin is going to be worth a lot more. So if Amazon survives an asset bubble, Bitcoin will too. We need to remember that. I think that is the key to remember during these trying times. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Knockout Crypto, bringing you the latest in crypto news. Thank you for following our channel.